Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable email notifications for your recent follows on Twitter using your PC. To get started, follow these simple steps. First, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a drop-down menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize your account preferences. Now, within the Settings menu, locate and click on Email Notifications. Under the Updates from Twitter section, ensure to check the box for suggestions based on your recent follows. This will ensure you receive email alerts for new suggestions based on your recent activity. Lastly, don't forget to click on the Save Changes button to apply the new email notification settings. By following these steps, you can stay informed about new suggestions tailored to your recent follows on Twitter, directly to your email inbox. Keep your Twitter experience personalized and up-to-date effortlessly.